SureDone is a popular dropshipping software, but before you make a purchase, there are 12 things you need to know. Stick around, and we'll compare it to other tools on the market so you can make an informed decision. The first thing you should know is that SureDone offers a broad set of features for managing your dropshipping business, from product listings to order fulfillment. However, it's not as intuitive as some other options out there. Some users find the learning curve steeper compared to platforms like Shopify or Oberlo. Next, SureDone integrates with a variety of marketplaces, including eBay, Amazon, and Walmart, which is great for expanding your reach. However, its marketplace integrations aren't as extensive as some competitors. Platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce provide more marketplace options and smoother integration. The third thing to note is its pricing model. SureDone offers tiered pricing plans, which can be affordable for smaller businesses. But as your store grows, the price increases significantly, especially when you need advanced features. Be sure to compare the pricing carefully against other platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Next, SureDone excels in automation. From order management to shipping updates, it's designed to streamline your operations. But when compared to tools like Spocket, you might find SureDone's automation options a bit more limited, especially in areas like product sourcing and automatic price adjustments. The fifth thing is that SureDone supports multiple storefronts, making it easier to run different brands or product lines. But keep in mind that managing multiple stores in SureDone can be a bit cumbersome, especially if you're used to the smoother workflow of Shopify or BigCommerce. The sixth thing you should be aware of is the customer support. SureDone offers email and live chat support, but response times can vary. In comparison, other platforms like Shopify are known for providing more consistent, reliable customer support. Next, SureDone's inventory management system is pretty solid. It allows you to track stock levels across different marketplaces, which is essential for any dropshipping business. However, if you need advanced inventory tracking, you may find competitors like TradeGecko or Brightpearl offer more robust solutions. The eighth thing is SureDone's reporting and analytics. While it provides basic insights into your sales and inventory, it doesn't offer the same level of detailed reporting as other software like Shopify or WooCommerce. So, if you're looking for more in-depth analytics, you might want to explore alternatives. Next, SureDone is geared towards larger dropshipping operations, which means if you're just starting, it might feel overwhelming. While platforms like Oberlo or AliDropship cater more to beginners, SureDone can be a better fit once your business expands. The 10th thing is SureDone's user interface. It's not the most user-friendly out there. Compared to Shopify or BigCommerce, SureDone's interface might feel a bit outdated and harder to navigate, especially for beginners. Next, SureDone offers API access, which is great if you want to integrate it with other systems. However, if you're not tech-savvy, this might be a downside. Platforms like Shopify, on the other hand, have a more user-friendly approach to integrations. The 12th and final thing is that SureDone offers a free trial, which is a great way to test out the platform before making a commitment. But if you want a better option for your dropshipping business, we recommend checking out our suggested solution. You can try it for free and see how it stacks up against SureDone and other competitors. So, is SureDone a good option for dropshipping? It certainly has its merits, but if you're looking for something more user-friendly and feature-rich, consider exploring our recommended solution. You can try it for free, and it may be just what you need to take your dropshipping business to the next level.